how's it going? I'm going to tell about anecdote, and this anecdote has passed some time, but I'm still remember, and and it still me, it still makes me laugh, but it is something that nobody in my family knows. But here goes. When I was 6 years old, I went to Ismar with my family here close of my house, and that was so funny because after we buying everything, my mom told me that I have the coronavirus. I'm just kidding. My mom told me that she had forgotten something. She no, she told me that I go down the hall and grab a can of chipotle. Then I was in the hall. I was looking for the can of chipotle. I'm going to say chipotle. Can of chipotle. In around 2 or 3 minutes, I found it. I found it on the hall, and I was happy. But when I came back, I don't look up at the area where the weather station is in case of fire. Since at that age, I was not tall like currently no. And the box at that age, the box fits exactly on my head, on my forehead, like here. And I remember I became very distracted that time. And for that, when I was going back, I hit myself. So I hit myself like I was on the house, and I pick up the can, and when I turned back, on my shoulder was the station of the firefighters, and when I turned back, oh, on my forehead, I hit on my forehead myself, and that hit was so very hard. And after hit myself, I fell like on the ground around 1 minute and stay like this. Then I got up and I came back with that kind of chipotle. And when I went with my family, my mom scolded me because it taken me a lot of time just to bring the can of chipotle. And but I never told them that I hit for myself because it was very silly, and they lauded me. They would let me. So it's for that I didn't tell them. Yeah, that was my anecdote. So I don't. It didn't take me 5 minutes, but like 4:30. That's good. So thank you, teacher. I'm I'm waiting for my 10 on the unit 4. Have a good day.